Which of the following is a library management software? If you go to a hospital, you'll get a hospital information system, hospital management software. Wherever you go, you will have a management software. Similarly, because the things have automated, computerized, so even if you go to a library, you'll get a library management software. And in all the examples or the options, the answer is LibSys. LibSys 7 is the version. So LibSys. See, LibSys is actually a library management software. Why it is important? Because it is a complete comprehensive library system, and this is managing all aspect and all kind of libraries. It can be a public library, national library, higher education, and research library. This LibSys modules, it includes the cataloging, the circulation, the serial control, the acquisition, the web OPAC, inventory management, and even the system management. That is, if you are a library person, you know all these things, it is already there. I'm saying that this LibSys is a fully integrated information system which uses a shared database, eliminating the need for redundant data entry because the database does exactly that. Database management systems. The transaction also take place at the real time. And there are multiple modules, or you can say functions, they run concurrently. And that allows the user to move quickly and easily between different modules, different functions, different options. Now your question will be, what is this ePrints, Joomla and Drupal? So I'll give you a hint about that. See, ePrint is actually a tool designed to facilitate the building of high quality, certain the compliancy also it has, OAI compliancy repositories that contain the research literature, the scientific data, images, reports, essentially any kind of content this ePrints can have. So this is ePrints. What about the other two? Joomla. This is very important, is it is free and open source, and this is a content management system. This Drupal is also a CMS, but Joomla is for publishing the web content. Drupal, it is also a CMS. It is also a content management system, and this is used to upgrade the look of website. You can install and uninstall the themes, different look and feel for the user.